we're going to be unboxing and testing out this PIURIFY Hydrogenerator right here with it. So this right here is going to go ahead and work on giving those hydrogen water benefits. It also going to give you high water quality too as well. But it does have high capacity. So the jug itself actually has a capacity of 50 ounces with it. So let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys exactly what you guys get inside, and we're also going to go ahead and test it out as well with that. So here we go. We'll open up our box here at the top, our manual and everything else. There we go. Looks like our filters have our power adapter. You have our unit itself and our jug. Really nice big jug here built in here. So here's the base of it. So you guys take a look at the base. Nice digital display. It says it has magnetic water, H2 water standard, H2 water higher, and self-cleaning mode. But this just fits right on it. Really? Wow. Check it. Right here's the bottom of it. And just looks like this fits right on the bottom right there. So let's go ahead and plug this in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the modes here. So the magnetic water mode will have balanced oxygen, raise pH levels, release VOCs, and it'll help retain the H2s. The H2 water standard is a standard infusion of pure hydrogen into the drinking water. Self-cleaning is going to go ahead and maintain the pitcher, make sure it's fresh and clean. And the H2 higher level is strong infusion of pure hydrogen into the drinking level. That right there will take about 13 minutes. Water standard of 8 minutes. And the magnetic water, it doesn't list how long it will actually take with that one right there all together. Okay, so I go wash it all up. You need to go ahead and make sure you clean out the pitcher really good and the lid and the filter. You want to go ahead and run underwater for about 1 minute. Now let's go ahead and add our water in here. Take it to the max line. Why not? Let's go ahead and put this here on. And like I said, there's 3 different modes. We can do magnetic water. We can go ahead and do H2O water standard or H2 water higher. If we want to go ahead and do self-clean, we can do that too as well. So here it is. So we went ahead and turned it on right there. And now we can go ahead and hit our magnetic water. And now it's going to go ahead and run for 10 minutes. And let's watch it spin around. Okay, got my glass. Let's go ahead and pour some here with it. Looks like clear water to me. Let's stir it back on there again. There it is. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. I don't taste any difference at all. Just knowing that it's a magnetic water base with it. So there'll be like no taste difference with it. So that's amazing, 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 amazing way to go ahead and handle your water. Right there with it. So this here is the PIURIFY clean water, clean air and water dispensary here to go ahead and make it all up for you. Pretty easy. I can't believe it only took 10 minutes altogether, with it. So right there you go. That's everything that you get. Tried it out, tasted it. Tastes fantastic. And I hope you found this helpful.